Learn how to make an alien galaxy cake with a glitter glaze drip. Welcome to our page, where we're going to learn, shop, and decorate together at Fran's Cake and Candy Supplies. Hit the subscribe button to follow. What you'll need: a crumb-coated cake, buttercream, fondant, glitter glaze, silver star sprinkles, silver tinker dust, edible art metallic silver, mixing bowls and spatula, brush, Easter egg cookie cutters, and soft gel food coloring in black, electric blue, electric pink, electric purple, and electric green. Start by mixing your colors. I'm making small portions of pink, purple, and black, and one large portion of blue, which will be the base color for my cake. Galaxy cakes are beautiful and much simpler to decorate than meets the eye. I start by adding the base layer of buttercream on my crumb-coated cake. Once it's fully iced, you'll place the other colors on top to create that multicolor outer space look. Fill 3 piping bags with the pink, purple, and black buttercream. Start with one color and pipe lines all around the cake, leaving space for the other colors. Don't forget to add some on top of the cake as well. Fill in the empty spaces with the other piping bag colors. Use your cake smoother to gently start to blend the colors into the blue base like you would usually smooth a cake over. You'll repeat this process until you have a smooth finish. Keep your smoother at a 45-degree angle from your cake so that you are able to blend the colors together instead of just taking them right off. Add additional buttercream colors where needed. Refrigerate the cake while you work on your fondant alien. I will be using electric green to create a really bright alien head. Mix the color into your fondant by folding the fondant over and pressing down. Do this until it's fully mixed in. Spread a little powdered sugar on your table and start to roll out the fondant to about 1/4 thickness. Make sure that it is not sticking to the table by occasionally lifting it up and adding more powdered sugar as needed. You probably thought I was crazy when I mentioned Easter egg cookie cutters, but I like to improvise when I don't have exactly what I need. These make the perfect cutters for an alien head and eyes if you flip them in the right direction. I am slightly pinching the thinner end to give it a pointier chin. Cut out the main head and then cut out both eyes, making sure they're symmetrical. Set the alien head aside. Pull the cake out of the refrigerator once it's cooled to start working on the stars. For this, I'll be using Edible Arts Metallic Silver and Silver Pixie Dust. Dip your brush into the metallic silver and press the brush back, letting it spring forward to flick the paint onto the cake. This creates little silver galaxies and star clusters. Next, dip your brush into the Tinker Dust and gently pat the brush around your cake, adding the twinkle to your galaxies. For the drip around the cake, I'll be using this amazing glitter glaze from Satin Ice. Just unscrew the tip and apply pressure on the very edge of your cake until you see the glaze coming down. While still squeezing the bottle, quickly move over a bit and pause while you squeeze in place to let the drip form. Continue doing this around your cake, stopping to get a good grip of the bottle when needed. These drips will slowly make their way down. Don't squeeze the bottle for too long in one place or the drip will fall to the bottom edge of your cake. I am adding extra Tinker Dust to the top of the cake before placing the alien head so that the eyes really sparkle. Empty all 4 piping bag colors into one piping bag with a star tip to create a cool multicolor border around the cake. Sprinkle silver stars around the border as soon as you pipe it so that they stick properly. Repeat the process along the top part of your cake and add the finishing touches by adding a little extra Tinker Dust for extra sparkle. This cake is out of this world and a great option for all ages. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more trending designs.